Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time for the fall FabFitFun box. I'm so excited. I'm not too far behind on this one. This came in about a week and a half ago, probably about 2 weeks now, but we were in Vegas finalizing our wedding plans for October. So I obviously wasn't able to do it last week, but we just got back and I'm so excited. As always, I don't remember what I picked out. I picked this out probably in like June or July. It was the last week of July, so it's only been a month actually since we picked out the products in here, but I literally don't remember. And I don't remember if I did any additional add-ons. So I don't know if they'll be in here or if they're gonna come in a separate box. Should have probably looked at my account and checked if I had any add-ons, but I think as I open it, I'll remember what's part of the actual box and what was an add-on, if there even are any add-ons. All right, let's do it. FabFitFun Fall 2022. Ooh. As always, it is pretty wrapped up. All right. Cute wrapping paper. I feel like they always use this kind, right? I believe so, and it's really cute. I mean, it's adorable. Why not? Okay, we've got quite a few things in here. I know I remember buying a few add-ons, so they're definitely in here. I just don't remember what was what. So I might have to actually pull up my account, but let's just open it up and see what we get. All right, so the first thing that's right on top is something I've actually been wanting to try for a while. I see people with these on TikTok all the time, but they're the reusable lunch bags. They're basically like Ziploc bags, but reusable, that you could just clean, put in the dishwasher, and keep reusing, which I think is so great. These look really cute. I'm gonna open them up. Looks like there's 3 different sizes. They're really sturdy, it seems, and I believe in the video that I watched on these, like people were putting liquid in them and like tipping them over, and no liquid was coming out, which is great. I've never used these before. I'm very excited. They feel great, like I said. The only thing is I do wish they had that little like zipper that you can like pull across. This is just like the clicky zipper, which actually seems to be pretty easy to do. Sometimes it's like hard to line them up, but this one seems really good actually. Oh, I'm very excited to try these. All right, so I looked at my account, I checked what my add-ons were, so we could just go through my add-ons first and then do the box as a whole. So the reusable bags were actually as part of an add-on, so that's the first thing. And then I have these reusable makeup pads. These look really cool. They're, last time I got like the reusable towels for makeup removers from FabFitFun. I actually forget what company they're from, but I love them. I ended up ordering more on Amazon because I love them so much. So I figured, why not try these? These are super cute and fluffy. What I really like about these, just like the towel ones, they have this like really fluffy side on one end, and then on the other side is like a little more exfoliating. I mean, it's not like harsh or anything. It's still like a soft towel pad, but it's just easier for like if you really want to scrub or if you're just like lightly wiping stuff away. These are super cute. Comes with 5 of them. I'm excited to try them out. Then another thing is a hair wrap towel. I've been using these for like, I don't even know, 20 years or something. Like my mom always used to buy these for me when I was young, and it's the only thing I've been using on my hair. I love them. They're so easy when you get out of the shower. You just wrap your head in it. And this one has a tie thing that you just tie at the top. You meet it up with this button here and you tie it at the top, and that goes on your head. That way you don't have like a heavy towel weighing down your hair and your scalp. These are awesome. Love these. And the final thing I believe that was an add-on, oh sorry, there's 2 more things. 2 more things that are an add-on. This is an ab wheel. We've been kind of creating like a little home gym type thing downstairs in our basement. So I figured something for the abs would be a great addition. So I'm actually really excited to use that. That was only like 10 bucks, which for a New Balance brand, I think is actually pretty good. I checked on Amazon and you could buy some ab wheels for like $15 to $20, but they weren't New Balance, so I don't know how the quality is. But the last thing for the add-ons is a cell therapy hair and scalp treatment. Now, I'm really looking into a scalp treatment that really works. I have extremely dry scalp, and it's really weird because my scalp is really dry and itchy, but like the top of my head gets oily so fast. So I think I just need some like scalp repair. If you guys have any recommendations of something that has really worked for you, please do let me know. But I'm excited to try this. It looks like it's, I'm trying to see if it's like a shampoo or if it's something you use once you get out, or do you wash it off? Yeah, this one you do rinse. So after you shampoo, oh, it's like a conditioner kind of. Is it? Nope, follow with a conditioner. So you use your shampoo, then you put this on, leave it on for 5 minutes, rinse, and then you use your conditioner. So I'm excited. I just washed my hair this morning, so I won't be trying this for a couple of days, but I'm excited for that. All right, that concludes all of the add-ons. So now everything that we're gonna see is part of the Fall 2022 box. Fall 2022 means that this is my 5th box, which means I've completed a full cycle and repaid the annual fee, which I want to say is somewhere around $230 or something like that. I could be totally off, but I think it's somewhere around that. So Fall 2021 was the first box that I ever got. That's what got me hooked on FabFitFun, with that cute, adorable Dutch oven that I was seeing everywhere. So I'm really excited to see what they're gonna have for fall this time around. I remember, now that I'm looking at these things, when I was picking them out, I wasn't as happy with the selections as I was for fall 2021, but there are some items here that I do see that I really like, so let's just start and see what we got. Oh, measuring cup and spoon set. That's something that we actually threw out when we moved. We had a really old measuring set, so these ones are really cute. They're super cute colors. I'm excited for these. Just simple, practical things we actually need. So this was actually a really good selection on my part. I see some sort of like bowls, mixing bowls or something. I don't remember picking this out. Let me get it out of the bag. Oh, it's a colander and bowl set. This is also something we don't have. We do have a like colander, which is the one that kind of expands into your sink and you can like wash things and rinse things there, and then obviously it's got the holes and whatnot. But I don't have one that's like a set that fits perfectly on top of another bowl, so I'm really excited for this. This is actually super cute, and the material seems like it's perfect, easy to wash, and I love the colors. So again, I was trying to be really like intentional and practical with the things that I was choosing. I don't want to just have a bunch of junk that's just gonna sit like in a drawer or something. So far the first 2 things we got from the box are perfect and I actually really need. Another thing that I know we need is these dryer balls. I'm super excited for these. I stopped using dryer sheets and softener about like 6 months ago. We use vinegar now instead of softener. It works great. It does not leave a vinegary smell, and it's actually good for you, or at least not bad for you like softener is. There we go. Now, these are just wool. They are 100% organic wool dryer balls, so you can reuse them all the time. They don't end up in the trash like the dryer sheets all the time. I'm really excited. We haven't been using dryer sheets, like I said, and there was nothing that I had replaced it with over the last 6 months. So I'm super excited to try these out. Yay me, I'm happy about that. I feel like I don't think it was my last summer one, but I think my spring box, I feel like a lot of the things for my spring box I really haven't used. And so with my last 2, if you watched my summer FabFitFun box, which I will link above right now if you haven't, I mentioned that I purposely picked out a lot of like home things, like decor or just useful things for the kitchen, things like that, because we were moving. And I think just about everything from the summer box I'm using right now. And so far that's kind of the way I feel about this box. So I'm really happy about that. Now we're getting into some things that I think I didn't pick and I think were random, because I don't think I would have picked this, but this is a Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay Mask. I do like masks, specifically clay masks actually I do like. However, I know I have a couple of tubes sitting in my bathroom, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna get to this or when I'm gonna get to it, but it seems good. The ingredients seem good, so I mean that is a plus. However, I don't know when I'm actually gonna try this, so we'll see. That's probably gonna end up in one of my cabinets and just kind of sit there. This here is a milk bath. I I can't remember if I picked this or if this was a random thing as well. However, I am actually excited for this one. I don't want to open it just yet. So you just kind of add it to your bath. I like it. I love baths. I have yet to take a bath in this house. So this is a good excuse. I'm excited. I've got to try this soon. I got a little box here. Is Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Don't remember picking this either. I actually used to use eye drops a lot. I have very dry eyes. I don't know if this will work for dry eyes. This seems like it's more for like redness reliever, but I actually am not mad about this. I feel like it's always good to have some eye drops handy, and I don't think I actually have any more because it's been a while since I consistently have been using drops. But you never know, you're gonna need this for some redness. I believe this is also one of those like random picker things. They may have actually been together. Sometimes they lump like random skincare and things like that together. So these may have came together, I'm not sure. But it's like we've only got 2 more things. I remember picking these and I'm so excited for them. These are packing cubes. So we've been doing a lot of traveling lately, and we've got quite a few things planned up in the future as well. So I really wanted these because they help you keep your luggage kind of just really organized. So they're different size like zipper bags. I'm trying to find the end of the zipper. Where is it? I actually literally can't find it. That's so funny. There it is. So these are just like zipper little bags. You fill up, and they actually have a really cute handle as well. I didn't really realize, but they have a little handle, so like when they're nice and full, you can hold it from there. But I just really like these to keep certain things separated in your luggage, so when you do like check into your hotel, you're not just like going crazy looking through your bag and mixing everything up. You can keep like, you know, your socks and underwear in one of them, your pants in one of them, things like that. So I'm really excited for these. I feel like I remember reading something about there being like separators for like dirty and clean clothes, but that may have been another set because I'm not seeing that here. I'll just open it up. Yeah, I'm not really seeing that here, but know that there are some packing cubes out there, and I may actually buy some extras of these. There are some packing cubes out there that separate the, like there's a little pouch where you can put like your dirty clothes, which I think is super cool. So that's cool. I'm excited for that. So for the only thing that I'm iffy on is the mud mask that I don't know if I'm going to use. But even the eye drops I feel like I'll use eventually. Alright, last thing. 3-piece silicone baking set. I remember picking this and I am super excited about this. I do like to bake a lot, especially like cookies and whatnot. And instead of just using like parchment paper all the time, I figured why not get one of these? And look at how freaking cute it is. It's got like little like sprinkles in it almost. So this is the mat, and then it came with 2 size spatulas. I love that there's a small one as well. And they're super sturdy. They're not like cheap. They're actually very well made. They're silicone, of course, but they've got this like hard backing on the inside. So another thing that I know I'm gonna use, it looks like a lot of the kitchen stuff I know I'm gonna use. And that has a lot to do in part with the fact that we threw away a lot of kitchen things when we moved because they were just cheap and old and just worn out. So I'm super excited about that. I love that it just like doesn't take up a lot of room since it is silicone. You can literally just fold it up and just like stuff it in the drawer. So everything that I got basically fits compactly in these bowls. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised with that box. I'm gonna put this down so you guys can actually see me now because that box is ginormous. But I'm very excited for that box. I think 90% of the things are very practical and useful for me. I'll actually be able to use them and not put them aside anywhere. That's gonna do it for today's video and today's box. I did renew my yearly subscription, so I will be doing at least 3 more boxes. We'll see how the next couple are before I decide if I'm gonna renew for fall of 2023. If you guys have any questions about FabFitFun or anything like that, just let me know in the comments down below. I do have free boxes to always send out, so make sure you let me know if you want one of those. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys next time.